At this time, we are following breaking news just into our newsroom. A code red is now in effect for people living in Palm City. That's because a search is underway after an armed carjacking overnight. The Martin County Sheriff's Office says the suspects took off in a stolen car. They say it started in Palm Beach County but ended in Palm City. Deputies tried to pull the car over but refused to stop. The drivers did. We are learning they put down stop sticks along I-95, and that's when the car crashed, the two men jumping out of the car, according to investigators, and they are now on the run right now. One man was arrested. We will continue to follow this breaking story for you as soon as more information comes into our newsroom.